Alright, this is the 1983 AMPS International Hobbies Mini Shark. Well, here it is. This is what it looked like. These either came as an RTR ready to run or as a kit that you can put together yourself. This one was a kit. This one has one of the earlier production International Hobbies from 1982 to 83, 84. If you notice, it has the extra fin to help it turn. They used this for a lot of the tunnel holes. You put it on this one. This one does not have a third channel trim on it, but has an adjustable screw that you can put in and out to adjust where you want the motor to run. If something hits it, it kicks up real quick. Gear driven. This one has an OS Max 46 motor in it. Exhaust comes out of here. Really realistic. That's why these motors are very, very sought after, because of the realistic looks of them. Pretty nice looking boat, designed after European style runabout race boats. Did a nice job on this one. Excuse the mess, I'm painting some Arneson drives right now. But here it is. Another great one from AMPS International Hobbies.